Hey there! Would you like to get this free ebook, Stop Dieting, Start Living Light? It's super easy.
Just watch this video all the way to the end, tap the like button, and make sure you're subscribed to our channel.
Then click the link below and fill out a quick form, and you'll soon receive your free ebook directly in your email. By doing this, you're helping our community grow and share science-based wellness with more people. Thank you for being part of Health and Wellness for All.
You ever wondered why belly fat seems so stubborn no matter how many diets or workouts you try? The truth is, burning belly fat fast isn't about eating less, it's about eating smart. And today, we'll uncover 5 expert-backed principles that will finally help your body switch from fat storing to fat burning mode. This guide is designed for beginners, clear, simple, and science-based, so you can start seeing results without confusion or frustration. By the end, you'll understand exactly how to turn your body into a fat-burning machine and why so many people fail simply because they overlook these key details. Every diet that actually works has one thing in common. It reduces insulin. Insulin is a powerful hormone. It helps your body store nutrients after a meal. But when insulin stays high all the time, your body never gets the signal to use its stored fat. Instead, it keeps storing more. Think of insulin as the on-off switch for fat burning. When it's up, fat burning is off. When it's low, fat burning is on. That's why the ketogenic lifestyle, or keto for short, can be so effective when done correctly. By cutting carbs low enough, you reduce insulin, and your body begins producing ketones, the energy molecules made from fat. The more efficiently you produce ketones, the more body fat you burn, especially around the waistline. But most people start keto the wrong way. They focus on counting numbers instead of understanding how the body actually reacts to food. So let's simplify things into 5 powerful, practical steps anyone can follow. Instead of obsessing over numbers on a nutrition label, focus on the type of carbohydrate you eat. Leafy greens and non-starchy vegetables are your best allies. They're packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, yet they barely affect insulin. Fiber is a special kind of carbohydrate. Your body doesn't digest it for fuel, so it has almost zero impact on blood sugar. That means you can fill your plate with generous amounts of spinach, kale, arugula, cabbage, lettuce, cucumber, or broccoli without worrying about breaking ketosis. Aim for about 7 cups of salad or vegetables a day. That might sound like a lot, but once you chop or blend them, it's easy. These greens deliver potassium, magnesium, and vitamin C, nutrients that calm your nervous system, ease fatigue, prevent muscle cramps, and help balance your electrolytes. They also help you feel full, support digestion, and fight cravings. To make salads satisfying, add olive oil, avocado, or a light vinaigrette. Choose dressings with no added sugar. Many commercial ones are loaded with hidden carbs. A simple mix of olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs is perfect. Healthy keto isn't just about cutting carbs, it's about adding nutrients. By loading your body with these plant-based micronutrients, you'll avoid the fatigue and keto flu many beginners experience. And when you start your meal with a salad, you'll eat less overall and control your appetite naturally. Protein is essential, but moderation is the key. Too little and your body feels weak. Too much and you'll raise insulin again, slowing fat loss. A simple rule: eat a portion about the size of the palm of your hand. That's usually 3 to 6 ounces per meal, depending on your body size and activity level. Another crucial detail: don't fear fat in your protein. Fat helps slow digestion and keeps insulin levels low. So skip the skinless chicken breasts and dry tuna. Instead, choose salmon, sardines, eggs, or ground beef with a bit more natural fat. When you eat protein with its natural fat, you stay satisfied longer and avoid energy crashes. Avoid whey protein shakes as your main protein source. They spike insulin more than whole foods because they lack fiber and fat. Real food wins every time. Choose quality protein, eat enough to support your body, and keep it naturally balanced with fat. When you first start keto, fat becomes your new energy source, and it's what allows you to go longer between meals without feeling hungry. Healthy fats include olive oil, coconut or MCT oil, avocados, nuts like pecans or macadamias, fatty fish, and grass-fed butter. These fats help your body adapt to burning fat efficiently. But in the beginning, you'll need more dietary fat to train your metabolism. Once you're fully fat adapted, meaning your body easily switches to burning its own stored fat, you can slowly reduce added fats so your body starts using your belly fat for fuel. If you constantly pour oil or snack on handfuls of nuts, your body will prefer that dietary fat instead of dipping into your own reserves. Use fat as a tool, more at first, moderate later. And here's a secret weapon for staying full longer. Add a teaspoon of MCT oil or olive oil to your meals. It digests quickly, turns into ketones fast, and gives you clean energy without cravings. If keto lowers insulin, intermittent fasting supercharges it. When you stop eating for several hours, your insulin drops even lower, and fat burning accelerates dramatically. Most people start with 2 meals per day, lunch around noon and dinner around 6. Once your hunger fades, you can transition to 1 meal a day if it feels natural. The beauty of fasting is that it becomes easy once your insulin is low. You simply stop feeling hungry. That's when real fat burning begins. The most important rule: don't eat if you're not hungry. Eating out of habit resets insulin and halts fat burning. Even a small snack counts as eating. Your body doesn't care how tiny it is. Each time you eat, you flip the fat burn switch off temporarily. So listen to your body. If you're satisfied, skip the next meal and let your body use stored fat for energy. Over time, your appetite stabilizes, your energy improves, and your mind feels sharper. Adding fasting to keto doesn't just burn fat, it improves insulin sensitivity, reduces inflammation, and may even support brain health. But remember, fasting doesn't mean deprivation. It's about timing, not starvation. If you want results that last, you need a plan you can live with, not a short-term punishment. Healthy keto should make you feel energized, not restricted. That means enjoying your food, experimenting with recipes, and even leaving room for small pleasures. Craving something sweet? Try dark chocolate sweetened with stevia or monk fruit. A small square after your first meal can satisfy dessert cravings without spiking insulin. You can also make simple keto desserts like almond flour brownies or chia puddings a few times per week. They make the lifestyle enjoyable and help you stay consistent. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress, and consistency always wins. As your body adjusts, you'll notice your skin glowing, your mood improving, your energy stable throughout the day. And yes, your belly will start to shrink naturally as your body runs on fat instead of sugar. When people start seeing results, they often get impatient and start tweaking their plan, adding supplements, cutting more calories, or changing meal times too soon. But if what you're doing is working, keep it steady. Give your body time to adapt. On the other hand, if you've hit a plateau, meaning your weight hasn't moved for several weeks, then it's time to make small adjustments. Maybe shorten your eating window, add a short walk after dinner, or check for hidden sugars in your foods. But don't chase every new trend. The basics work because they're rooted in human physiology, not marketing hype. Here's the most powerful truth of all. You don't lose weight to become healthy, you become healthy to lose weight. When you nourish your body properly, balance your hormones, and let insulin calm down, weight loss is a natural side effect. Your body wants to be healthy. It just needs the right environment to do it. Rather than punishing yourself with endless restriction, think of this as a healing process. You're training your metabolism to work for you again, not against you. Every time you choose real food, drink more water, or skip unnecessary snacks, you're teaching your body to trust you again, and that's when transformation happens. As you move to fewer meals, it becomes more important to get quality nutrition. Add sea salt to your food. It helps replace the sodium your body loses when insulin drops. Consider magnesium-rich foods like spinach and pumpkin seeds. B vitamins found in nutritional yeast support energy metabolism and prevent fatigue. And don't forget hydration. Drink water throughout the day. When your electrolytes are balanced, you'll feel calm, focused, and energized, not deprived. At first, the process may feel unfamiliar. You might have mild cravings or feel tired as your body learns to burn fat for fuel. That's normal. After a few days, your energy will rise, your appetite will fade, and your mind will feel clearer. You'll stop depending on constant snacks and realize how free it feels not to be ruled by hunger. When that happens, celebrate it. You've just entered fat-burning mode. Keep going, keep learning, and remember that consistency matters far more than perfection. Every healthy choice compounds over time. If you've made it this far, congratulations! You already know more about belly fat loss than most people ever learned. Now it's time to take action. Start today with small, realistic changes. Switch your breakfast for water and coffee. Add a big salad to your next meal, or push lunch a little later. Your body will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Health and Wellness for All, leave a comment sharing your journey, and let us know what topic you'd like to see next. Remember, health isn't about perfection. It's about steady progress, one good choice at a time. Take care of yourself, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hi. Before you go, don't forget to grab your free ebook packed with simple, science-based wellness tips that really work. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and click the link below. Stay healthy. See you soon.